Hello everybody. Rheumatoid arthritis. Can it be effectively managed through Ayurveda? Before answering this question, let us see a patient's blood result. What do we see here? That is in December 2019. The rheumatoid factor level is 50. And after 5 months of Ayurvedic medications, now that is in May 2020. What is the rheumatoid level now? It has reduced from 50 to just 3, 20 being the normal upper limit. This patient, when she first came, she had severe pain in almost all the joints, and especially in the morning, her whole body used to feel so much stiff. Every joint here and there, pain and swelling. She could not even cook properly. Cutting the vegetables itself used to cause her so much pain. She herself used to say that she was very worried that she could not prepare the favorite dishes which her children used to love. And she was also a teacher. So holding a pen and writing also was so much painful for her. But with Ayurvedic medications, gradually her pains and swellings all started to come down. Here we need to consider one important factor, that is, the treatment outcome will vary from patient to patient, because factors like how long they have been suffering from that disease, how regularly they take the medications, how healthy their diet is, what is their stress levels, all these factors together will also determine the final treatment outcome. For this patient, one of the important reasons for such a good outcome is that as soon as she was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, they first opted for Ayurvedic treatment, because her husband, who is a railway officer, is also a diabetic, is already taking treatment for diabetes with us, and this diabetes is under very good control. So they already have a very good amount of confidence in Ayurvedic medicines. So immediately when they were diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, the patient themselves told. That is, we have seen other patients suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, and while taking painkillers after a few years, we are seeing how their present condition is. So hence we are not interested towards taking painkillers and other steroids and so on. So we want Ayurvedic medicine only. This is one important factor here. Why? Because in the present scenario, most rheumatoid arthritis patients who come for Ayurvedic treatment, what they say in their patient history is that, yes doctor, we were diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, and initially we started taking painkillers, steroids and DMA, RDS, that is the disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs and so on. Initially for the few years we had very good relief. The pain was almost totally gone. But as gradually time went on, as years by years went on, the pains slowly started to increase. And accordingly, even the level of medicines also started to increase gradually. And after a certain point of time, we couldn't tolerate the pain anymore. And even we started thinking, okay, for how long should we keep on taking these medicines and injections and so on? So why not let us try Ayurvedic medicine? So that is the stage when they actually come for Ayurvedic treatment. So now here what happens? The disease has already passed quite some amount of time. That is over the period of 5 to 10 years. It is gradually progressing in their body, and the disease is getting more deep rooted. So obviously what happens? Rheumatoid arthritis, or for that matter any other disease, the earlier we start the treatment, the maximum we can expect the clinical outcome. The more and more we delay, obviously the outcome also will get reduced. Hence, when a patient is diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, the earlier they take Ayurvedic treatment, the better they are going to see the results. Especially in rheumatoid arthritis, what normally happens is, to diagnose it as rheumatoid arthritis itself will take 6 months to 1 year or even more. Because initially the patient will be having just mild joint pains. Now and then it will keep coming and going, here and there it will be. So they will not be bothered about it much. But as gradually time passes, the pain will become more and more constant and will keep on spreading. Only then patient will realize, okay, something is wrong, let us go see a doctor, and then through some test they will diagnose it as rheumatoid arthritis. So already here we have lost some say around 1 year or so. So the point we need to take here is, yes, once you have joint pains, multiple joint pains, and you have identified the problem as rheumatoid arthritis, the earlier you consult an Ayurvedic doctor and follow his prescriptions, the better you will be able to control rheumatoid arthritis. Further, regarding the Ayurvedic approach towards rheumatoid arthritis, what are its causes, how does the disease progress, and other related issues, we will see in the next video. Thank you.